afternoon everyone. I am Pathan Malindi Balekha, class BA third year, roll number 210 and my seat number is RAS 22673. Today I am going to present my seminar. My seminar topic name is Marxist Literary Criticism. Karl Marx 1880 Karl Marx 1880 to 1883, a German philosopher, and Friedrich Engels 1820 to 1895, a German sociologist, were the joint founders of School of Thoughts. They themselves called their economic theories communism rather than Marxism. Marx and Engels announced the advent of communism in their jointly written Communist Manifesto of 1848. The aim of Marxism is to bring about a classless society based on the common ownership of the means of production, distribution, and exchange. Marxism is a materialistic philosophy. It looks for concrete, scientific, logical explanations of the world of observable fact. Marxism sees progress as coming about through the struggle of power between different social classes. This views of history as class struggle regards it as motored by the competition for economic, social, and political advantage. The exploitation of one social class by another is seen especially in modern industrial capitalism, particularly in its understated 19th century form. The result of this exploitation in alienation. It is the state which comes about when the workers is de-skilled. These alienated works have undergone the process of reification, which is a term used in Marx's major work, Das Kapital. When capitalist goals and questions of profit and loss are paramount, workers are bereft of their full humanity. They are thought of as hands or the labor force. People in a world become things. The 18th century German philosopher Hegel had a profound effect on Marx. Marxism is also built upon the socialist thinking produced in France at the time of the French Revolution. It built upon it commented the economic view that the pursuit of individual economic self-interest would bring economic and social benefit to the whole of society. The Marxist model of society points it as constituted by a base, the material means of production, distribution, and exchange, and a superstructure. It is the cultural world of ideas, art, religion, law, and so on. Marxist literary criticism maintains that a writer's social class and its prevailing ideology have a major bearing on what is written by a member of that class. So, instead of seeing authors as primarily autonomous, inspired individuals whose genius and creative imagination enables them to bring forth original and timeless works of art, the Marxists sees them as a constantly form of their social context. Traditional Marxist criticism tends to deal with history in a fairly generalized way. It talks about conflicts between social classes and clashes of large historical forces. It rarely discusses the detail of a specific historical situation and relates it closely to interpretation of particular literary text. In the end, thank you.